White from Harris County Public Health. With the Thanksgiving holiday behind us and as we move closer to Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and New Year's Day, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is still recommending that we do not travel for the holidays or gather in large groups to celebrate. We must all remain vigilant in practicing our preventive behaviors, wearing our mask, washing our hands, and watching our distance to minimize the risk of spreading and contracting COVID-19. We understand that this year has been difficult, and all you want to do is spend time with your loved ones, friends, vacation, etc. Unfortunately, we are still battling a pandemic, which has changed the way we do many things for now. I say for now because a lot of progress has been made towards creating vaccines that are effective against COVID-19. As of this week, there are 2 top contenders, and both have applied to receive an emergency use authorization from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. This means there's light at the end of our tunnel. You may have also seen that the United Kingdom approved this COVID-19 vaccine for use this week, and you may be wondering why the United States is behind. The simple answer is that countries have different processes and regulations. Once our medical and health experts have determined the vaccine meets the United States requirements and standards, it will be available for use. We will continue to share and post information on COVID-19 as it becomes available in our area. Since the early stages of the pandemic, the CDC has recommended a 14-day quarantine for individuals who have been exposed to a person with COVID-19. However, the agency updated its guidelines to allow states and local health departments to choose from 2 additional quarantine options that best meet the needs of the jurisdictions as it relates to slowing the spread of COVID-19. As of today, Harris County Public Health will continue to require a 14-day quarantine for exposed individuals until more information has been reviewed regarding the implementation of the CDC's new guidance. Additional information on CDC's quarantine guidance can be found on the CDC website. United Airlines recently announced the expansion of its customer COVID-19 testing efforts to include flights out of George Bush Intercontinental Airport to select destinations in Latin America and the Caribbean. Starting December 7, 2020, customers in Houston will have the option to take a self-collected mail-in test that meets local entry requirements. Customers are advised to take the test 72 hours before departure and should expect to receive results by email within 24 to 48 hours of mailing in their test. For more information, visit the United Airlines website. Finally, COVID-19 tests are still being offered to residents free of charge by Harris County Public Health and our local partners. Log on to hcphtx.org to register, or you may call 832-927-7575 and an intake specialist will register you by phone if you do not have access to the internet. Thank you for watching Harris County Public Health's Week in Review. And remember, our motto is don't guess, take the test.